Hi everyone, James here. This is the 1/72 scale Hasegawa Dewoitine D.520 with the Vichy Air Force markings. This is another one of those kits I started many years ago, and then for whatever reason I gave up and then just boxed it. This is where I got to. I did start painting the cockpit and then the inside in, I think, the wrong colour. I will be doing some scratch building. Can try and take the seat out and then make a frame with sprue on that and enhance it better. There is some hatches or inspection bits missed out. I'm going to add some foil and replace those. There is the radiator housing, and I'm going to just cut grooves into the rear flap piece to show it's maybe a two-piece, not just moulded as one. And then maybe re-rivet some panels that I did see another guy do. I may do that as well. There's no look inside the box as it's started. It's the decals that there is some water damage around here, and they are yellowed a bit. I did put them in the window, as you can see, not for long enough because they are still yellowed. Some instructions. You get 2 schemes from the Vichy Air Force markings. And then I did start painting some of the parts here with the landing gear and the wheel well covers. Just the clear parts. I may struggle to mask these again as the framing isn't pronounced that much. So that's the progress so far on it.